Time for an oil change, 5 hours on our Ferris. Ferris, you have this drain tube. Just push that down through there. Lay it out here. We'll get a jug for that. Oil filter is right here. Easy to reach. We just had it running. Some of these a little bit warm. Now when you take this off, it will drip on the frame here. So we're going to lay a few shop rags down underneath as we unscrew it. But we'll do that after we drain the oil out. Now before you drain the oil, you want to pull out your dipstick, just loosen it up like that. That way it lets your hair displace the oil as it drains. Okay. So we got an old def container here. Collect our oil. 2 wrenches you'll need. 2 wrenches you need is an 18 millimeter and a 16. Now a 17 does fit better, but tighter on the bronze. I found it too tight. Might be my wrench. So the 18 is what we're going to go to. Okay. 18, like I said, not ideal. It's a little loose, but I think she'll be fine. 16. Get that loose. We're gonna put that on was serious. There we go. Go. It's pretty dark. It's actually darker than I thought it would be. We'll let that drain in there for a while. Okay, as you can see on the manual, they have different recommendations for oil. We're going with the 1030, which is the B rating, which will take it from 0 degrees up to 100. We may shift over to the Vanguard synthetic if our next summer is a little bit warmer, but for now we're going to stay with the B, and I believe that's a good choice. 1030. Standard oil. What we use is the Pennzoil. This is not a synthetic, this is a regular oil. This is the 44 series, so our oil capacity is 66 to 68 ounces, and 1.9 to 2.0 liters. The oil filter we ordered off Amazon, and it calls for a 696854. This is what we got. It is a Briggs & Stratton. Okay, the oil's done draining. Put the plug back in. This is a tapered fit plug, so you don't have to wrench it real hard. It will seat. You'll see that. keep an eye on it, see if it's dripping or leaking, but you don't have to give it a bad point. Okay, we'll set that back in. And I'm going to go after the oil filter. See how tight she is. She's tight. We'll pick up a wrench. We've got a few different filter wrenches. Let's try this one. That'll work. I just have this here for my Harley. That will work fine. I think we can go with that one. Same one that fits my Harley Davidson. Boy, they got that on there tight. Definitely not hand tight. She's coming. Macaroni. Okay. She is hot. So anytime you take these filters off, see the gasket here, make sure it's with the filter. Double check your seal up here. Because if you do try to put a filter on with the seal stuck to it, and often this will come off, stick on the motor, you put the new filter on, don't realize that now you have two O-rings, and they will fail. They'll blow out against each other. And we got the new filter. Cover off. Up some oil. Move up the seal. Let's get this guy out of here. Okay. Now, because everything's oily and slippery, I am going to use the wrench to tighten it, but I'm only going to use a little bit of force on it. Basically what you want is bring it up to the O-ring where your touch is down kind of firm, and then give it another half turn. So that should be fine. Let's some of this oil. Okay, pour some oil in. Good to the last drop. Alright, first quart in. Now this one does say to put the dipstick in and screw it down. Maybe a little touch on the bottom. Big ass hawk. I think he's looking for my cats. You hear him cawing?
Yeah, I heard him.
There he is.
That's a nice mower.
You pick up that cat and fly away with it.
What you into, brother?
Yeah. 5-hour oil change.
5-hour oil change. Yeah.
Had break-in oil in there, now she's out. So what have you been up to? Did you get any luck?
I seen it was laying low right up there at the flat rock when I went in this morning. Some bitch sitting there, I guess, eating on stuff right there around that flat rock. We're gonna go make phone calls.
Did you go into your property at all?
Yeah.
Yeah. See anything?
I went plumb up to the little field. Didn't say shit.
No kidding. How about sign?
Found a few scrapes.
Yeah. Tell you what, the road's been busy.
What you been into today, buddy?
Just putzing around. Okay, let me see if I can fire this with the seat up. I don't know if it will go.
I doubt if it'll fire the seat up with it. I gotta guess it does.
Yeah, that's good to know. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure you
A
look.
48-inch cut, or yeah.
Yeah, this is a 48. We're gonna get a bigger one, but we're going around here little areas and stuff. This is perfect for Kathy.
You don't need it. Don't need one no bigger.
I was looking at a 72 inch, but that's a little bit much.
Oh yeah. What do you mow that field out there with?
Most of the time it's my brush cutter. I just let it get high and just get out there and with the tractor and do it. Yeah, run it for a little bit. May add a little bit more later, but that works for me.
That'll work.
So what else is that? Anything?